Good morning everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful relaxing Sunday. I've got more Cyber Week deals for you and I'm going to tell you what they are right now. First up, we've got the Tim Holtz haberdashery snips in 5 and 6 inches and they're available at 40% off. Make a splash with our Aquaflow bundles next, 24 pens in total, you've got 8 packs of 3. These are available for 65% off on the store. Our paper pack for today is 25 packs of 12x12 classic card. This 215 GSM card is in beautiful shades, one side's weave texture, one side smooth, and that's available for you at 70% off. Next, create beautifully elegant perfumery boxes. There's 2 sets in total and you get them for 70% off. And there you go, there are your cyber sale deals for the day. Join me tomorrow for the penultimate day of our cyber sale where I reveal more of wonderful discounts on the store.